community-centered policing.
All right, the mayor and the police chief announcing the expansion of the Neighborhood Community Officer Program. Let's listen in live.
By their first names. Their role is to address and prevent issues. For example, if they learn that two individuals have been in conflict and there's going to be ongoing tension between them, they can work with both parties to de-escalate and prevent violence. This kind of work benefits everyone. And if someone needs social supports or other types of care, we are well positioned to connect them with the resources they need in collaboration with our community and our city partners. This is a very unique job, and it is a very important one. Most community safety indicators are down this year, including homicides, shootings, and car thefts. We are also mindful of long-term trends that show some of these indicators have been on the rise over the past decade. Now is not the time to slow down. It is the time to continue our efforts as much as ever. Wherever I go, when I speak with city councilors, community leaders, and residents, people tell me they want to see more police presence. This includes an increased police presence on the TTC. I've met with TTC CEO Mandeep Lally to discuss how we can work together to make the TTC safer. And I can tell you that we both agree that ensuring transit users feel safe on the subway and in the stations is a top priority. And of course, we will continue to work with all our transit, community, and city partners to ensure people are and feel safe. Thank you, and I'll now turn it over to Mayor Olivia Chow.
Thank you, Chief Demkiw. Last week, I joined officers from 43 divisions on a ride-along organized by my friends at the Toronto Police Association. We met up with a neighborhood community officers team at a local strip mall where these officers know every store owner by name. I spoke with a staff at Pizza location, and they were grateful for the support from their neighborhood community officers. One employee told me he has the officers' numbers and can call anytime for help. And he said, and I even quoted him and I recorded it, 42 and 43 division, we always get help from them. They're the best. These neighborhood community officers make the strip mall safer for businesses, for workers, customers, and families. People feel confident calling them when they need help because they trust these officers will be there for them. That's a model of policing that builds safer communities together. And that's what we are doing more today. These officers work in the same neighborhoods every day. They get to know people over time and build trust. When that happens, crime goes down and people feel safer. They can do the same thing on transit, stopping crime before it happens and getting help to people fast when emergencies occurred. Recently, I announced more frontline workers on transit, mental health workers, outreach workers for people experiencing homelessness, and more special constables. That's hundreds more people you see across the system. The Toronto Police Neighbourhood Community Officers work alongside with the entire TTC team. They add another layer of safety and help to stop crime before it starts. They show TTC riders that keeping transit is a top priority for all of us. Because to reduce traffic and keep Toronto moving, we need transit that is safe and reliable. My 2025 budget pays for more neighborhood community officers and the Toronto Police 5-year hiring plan, which includes 720 more officers and more 911 call takers. These investments are already showing results. 911 wait times are down 70%. Crime rates are dropping, and shootings are down 70%. Through investment in community programs, we're also helping at-risk youth choose a better path. Our summer safety plan reached 15,000 young people with recreation and violence prevention programs in partnership with the police. Youth gun violence is down quite dramatically. And yesterday, I announced a job training plan to double the number of young people we can support. Our approach to community safety is working, and the neighborhood community officers we are announcing today will make it even stronger. Next year's budget is in development right now, and we will continue with the hiring plan, the neighborhood officers, and the youth investments. Delivering a caring, affordable, and safe city has been my commitment from the very beginning. So thank you, Chief Demkiw, and thank you to all the officers who keep Toronto safe every day. I appreciate your dedication and your service to our city and fellow Torontonians. Take care of yourself on the road, and please stay safe. Let me bring out Josh Cole from the TTC.
All right, listening to Mayor Olivia Chow and also Police Chief Myron Demkiw and other officials there announcing the expansion of the Neighborhood Community Officer Program. What they do is they work with local residents and community organizations to address crime and safety issues. So what will it look like? They'll have officers working in the same neighborhood daily. The mayor also saying that they're going to work with TTC officers as well to help reduce crime and build trust in neighborhoods. Of course, we'll keep on following this announcement, and we'll give you more details at 5 and 6, and of course online at ctvnewstoronto.ca.